see Tony return to his state of former glory.
He just wants to get himself back in the car. Don't worry.
He needs to accelerate. He needs to accelerate.
He needs to accelerate down the M1.
Boy, look at him. Look how his chips are stacked. They're so neat.
Yeah, ready to go home. Yeah, that's how he stacked them.
They really are.
Bike.
Yeah.
So there was a straddle. Rollers decided to raise, make it 250. He's got 2 7s, all very reasonable. Mr. Trickett says, do you know what? I haven't played a pot for a while. Never mind. No hand fold.
Raise to 700.
Jennifer Tilly, 2 queens, makes it 700.
Plus
And it spins around the table. Luke Schwartz, ace, jack of hearts. This could be an interesting pot. Then 700 in total. He's got 100 out there. He's got to at least call, hasn't he? He decides to do that. Roland's not going to fold now because it's only 450. And he's got set mine odds. No point raising and having to fold this hand from here, so might as well just call and see a flop.
She's had quite a few big pairs.
She certainly has. There's the ace. Luke in good shape, but I don't think Jennifer will go too crazy now. Against 2 opponents. She might figure that ace wasn't a great card for her. She's going to have one but continuation bet, represent, and I'm guessing she'll just switch off and this won't be the biggest pot. We'll see tonight. Roland must pass, surely, having played it this way.
I'll give you 115.
heads up.
Oh, I thought it was going to be a queen. So Jennifer's queen is the club, so she doesn't have the queen of spades. So I can't see her carrying on now with a straight, a flush, and an ace out there, and she just has 2 queens.
Right, all she can beat is the
well, here she comes, and she's flat calling 2.5 grand. I don't really like this call because the only thing is now, well, it's come 4 spades. What do you do on the river? I mean, do you know if you're winning? Do you bet because you're bluffing? Are you turning your hand into a bluff? What are you up to, Jennifer Tilly?
4,000.
Clearly, this must be a bluff. She must realise that there's not many hands that she's desperate to be called by. I mean, King Jack, that would be a...
What's the second bet?
But how's she going to get called by that? I think if we quizzed her now and said, is this a bluff or is this a value bet, she would say it was a bluff.
That's between you. I'm not in your bet. I'm not in your bet. I'm just going to tell you.
Neil, he made one very good call against Tilly.
I think he's going to call just because of the price.
Okay.
You got the king of spade, ace, king of spade.
He called, as you said, with the 5-8 earlier when he turned the 2 pair, and then it came, the card that gave him the 2 pair put a flush out there, and then it came forward to a straight, and he called. This time round, he's getting a price. He's getting 3 to 1.
You guys have a bet book. We're playing a poker game. Yeah.
I mean, it really has to be a big spade or a bluff, doesn't it?
Got a flush.
He's pretty annoyed that if he loses this one, it's going to set him back a bit. You know, he'd had a bit of a recovery really, and this is going to put him back under the 20 grand if he, and that's a factor, I think. Looks like he's folding, and he does fold.
Oh, I got bluff. I got bluff.
Jennifer doesn't show. I think that's good not to show, and I'm glad she didn't because
I tell you my hand,
it's tempting to show. And Luke's pumping for information. Jennifer's not going to tell him anything.
200.
She's gone. He gets a silent leave.
The build.